Welcome to the future of code compliance verification. Introducing the world's first AI chatbot virtual fire and life safety consultant, equipped with advanced artificial intelligence to verify compliance with NFPA 101.1 and 72 codes and standards. Ensuring accuracy and efficiency in assessing fire and life safety systems, providing real-time guidance to meet regulatory standards. NFPA 101 and 1 covers code requirements for life safety and property protection. NFPA 72 covers application, installation, location, performance, inspection, testing, and maintenance of fire alarm systems. The AI Chatbot Virtual Consultant is a groundbreaking technology. It ensures accuracy, efficiency, and real-time guidance for regulatory standards. Experience the future of code compliance verification today.